Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Yonutz donuts. Mix 2 cups flour, 1/2 cup sugar, 2 tsp baking powder, 1/4 tsp salt, 1 egg, and 1 cup milk until smooth. Heat oil to 350 degrees F and fry batter drops in batches for 2 to 3 minutes each, turning once. Drain on paper towels, then glaze or dust with sugar while warm for best texture and flavor. Start by sifting dry ingredients and whisking them together to remove lumps and distribute leavening evenly. Whisk wet ingredients separately, then combine gently just until incorporated to prevent gluten development. Let batter rest briefly while heating oil to 350 degrees F so bubbles calm and batter settles. Portion consistent droplet sizes for even frying and a uniform finish, aiming for donuts roughly 1 to 1.5 inches wide. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker to play kitchen music, set timers hands-free, and add playful voice prompts while you cook. It pairs well with a busy counter and helps time those 2 to 3 minute fry sessions perfectly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Fry in small batches to avoid temperature drops and overcrowding, using a slotted spoon for gentle turning. Drain finished donuts on paper towels to remove excess oil, then finish while warm to help glazes set nicely. Cool briefly before serving to avoid scalding, and store leftovers in an airtight container to preserve freshness. Reheat gently for best texture and enjoy with coffee, milk, or a favorite dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.